You never for call yourself promoter, my daddy. You know for call yourself promoter. Jacko, you know for call yourself a promoter. You understand what I say?
Yes. Because you know, Rome come and tell you and I say Rasta went to Rome against I know that Rasta no longer Rasta turn pussy.
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. Yeah, man, if it's your first time I check out the channel, I beg you like and subscribe on the content. Yeah, man, enough respect, people. Alright, so in this episode, we have Vybz Kartel cancellation of the show over there in Trinidad. Yeah, man, is a no-go for the teacher, you know. Jano Star, be things are going. We have mad who's come out and make we know exactly what take place really with the promoter. Things don't look good at all. People have to go check it out and hear man to deal with it, you me? Yeah, man, we also have Bounty Killer, well, a mad vibes on stage about to sick dance. Yeah, man, Killer, get to one night time. We're gonna check it out and see what going. We also have Buju, a whole reason. Yeah, man, the Gargamel blaze of fire on some Rasta, you see me? We're gonna hear what the general deal with, you know? Also, we have the Krispy Kreme. Yeah, man, we'll see that bun down one night time. You see me? We're gonna check it out and see what really going on. Yeah, man, but first, we'll kick it off with Mad Sauce and hear man did in our episode. Yeah. Go through Mad Sauce.
And just I'll go and observe some things from what day. I say, some people stupid like, them stupid, fuck. Like, you know, the things that them thinking of them brain and then, like, for instance, the promoter where put on the show, you never for call yourself promoter, my daddy. You know for call yourself promoter. Jacko, you know for call yourself a promoter. You understand what I say? You know for call yourself a promoter, my daddy. Because from December, January, February, March, April, my daddy, you have up until 5 seal months. Or you say 5 seal months you make pass and you know make the man get him money when forget. And in your mind, you feel there's some friend thing and some knowing thing are going on, you know. You see me because I remember the first time you call my phone and I say, yo, you want a link? Them time they never come a road yet. And I say, yo, ready this, I say, my dad, and that another time they know. When we come home, we will deal with that. Yeah, kill up yourself right there. Yo, I say, my dad, you will get your show. The show, you will get it. Just have your money. And just no sign of normal money you will pay. You will get your show. Yo, tell the G, we're ready now. We have money, we have the money. The biggest stuff, start them. The biggest start them. And all me I tell you from them time, they say, my dad, make sure say everything deal with now. And I mean, you deal with now when you come on to the business side, I think, because you don't know. TJ, govern them some of the Grinch, it's my team Grinch. And you know, it's like you never get the real meaning of when you hear about the team Grinch. You feel some is joke and friend a look. You feel a joke or a friend a look, Jacko. Eh? You get the opportunity for be the first promoter to get Vybz Kartel in Trinidad. And that show you would have been the biggest show in a Caribbean, you know. That show you, know. If you just make the man getting money, you know. And look how you're worse, stupid. Because human psychology, I break it down and see that, you know, you do, you know. You have a group of individuals around you know. The man them all a businessman who no own them. Everybody a businessman. Who own a contractor. Everybody a businessman. Be a millionaires then. And it's like you know ask the man them come pan team because it wasn't a team, you know. Teamwork. I could do this as a team and then make the dream work. You never go about this with a teamwork mindset, you know. It's like you try to get back because a long time your name now call as a promoter and them things. So you don't know. You usually get some show and book some show one time with we and long time. So things and times change. So now you want to get back. And it's like you try to use this. I want me observe and break it down to myself. It's like you try to use this opportunity where you get to come like with comes. You see me? Puff up the chest for the money, man. So you mean me get cartel in our country, right? Me are the man now again, right? And you left the man them outside. So man, if the man that did dip on board really with you, and snap them finger, and all of that would have happened from being, you know. But yeah, buck shuffle, yeah, scratch all about. Because you see the mindset where you have it still in a little matches box. You, Jacob, cannot spoil the reputation of Vybz Kartel, Adija, Azim Farmer. You cannot, even from the time when the date for change, I mean, they tell you, Jacob, change the date. The man attack, the people them say they want to go on hunger strike. Vybz Kartel is not going to go against that. The man respect people, we stand up for them country like that and them culture. So when the man they say they'll go on hunger strike and you feel like I'm a been a tell you from them time they find a good date, change the date. Where they are going like you don't want to change the date and you still have to change the date. You still have to change the date. And you keep on at what it end up that boom, you see people because the government say, oh, I restrict this and that and rate. Why? Because you keep a overstep. You overstep, you move them. For you just go on and work on getting the money. All I money, not piece of money. All I money, cause brother, what the hell on did there? I want to did there, brethren, when the man they are prisoner and the man fight, brother. Him they call upon none of no assistance? No. Him they call upon none of no. So why now this man come a road and this man I say, yo, you see, you know what I mean, I'm married and better have 200 million US, you know, now for better have 500 million US. No, you know work that way, you know. When you can't value the man. And then the man don't play when it come on to him business and him money. You see business, money, where him sweat and put in him hard work to get him don't ramp with it, my dad. Him not ramp with it, none at all. And you, Jacko, are they are ramp with the man. Like if you say this man is like the rest of young artists, them man. Or some, you know, some artists who could have tried. Bro, a fuckery you do. Nigga, you do fuckery and you need to come give the people them a public apology. Way you make happen. Publicly, you need to come give Trinidad people them an apology. They need the apology. The people must spend the money already and they buy them ticket and I look and I wait to see Vybz Kartel. Because as I said, this would have been the baddest show in the Caribbean. Epic. I know this year for kind of the first come at Trinidad with a Vybz Kartel and see how the people react and go on. And the people they really are wait and anticipate this. Everybody I call on my phone and this and I call on my phone and that.
Yeah, family, so that I'm mad so soon. I make we know straight. So yo, the promoter they over in Trinidad in turn off on night time. Yeah, man, because there's no way possible you can book Vybz Kartel Fyah event and the DJ is not fully compensated. There's no way on the day of the show the DJ still has not received the full balance for the performance that was discussed prior to the show. That is impossible, and you expect the DJ to fly into Trinidad to still do the show? No, that's a big no. Yeah, man, I'm to make you know straight. So Vybz Kartel don't play when it comes to money. Everybody know that, isn't me? There's no way you can have Vybz Kartel do business for you and you not fully compensate him. That is madness, isn't me? Yeah, man, the last promoter that tried that with Vybz Kartel, everybody know how that famously went down. You see, Vybz Kartel boycotted the event, chose not to perform and not to show up, and you see the reaction and the impact that have afterwards. So the same thing in Trinidad. You can't have Vybz Kartel book for the event and you not fully compensate him, and then you expect him to turn up and still deliver a 5-star performance. You can't get that. No, and it's a big letdown to the fans at Trinidad as well, because we know say they made wait a long time for see Vybz Kartel in the perform over there in a 14 years. The last show him do, to my recollection, was the Tobago Fete. You see me? And that was over in a Tobago side, not Trinidad to be specific. You know, Trinidad and Tobago are kind of two separate islands and thing. But yeah, but you don't know if it is that the promoter never come through on Fame end. That is the big disappointment on Fame side. You see me? Because a Vybz Kartel we are the artist right now. So you not have the artist fully compensated, and him is the headline act for the show. That is just madness in my opinion. Yeah, and any impact with the decision of afterwards in Trinidad, the blame should be solely rest on the promoter. Yeah, and it just a messed up situation when you really looked at it, because everybody I look for see Vybz Kartel perform in Trinidad tonight, you see me? And as Mads would say, it would have been one of the biggest shows in the Caribbean. Would have there tomorrow morning and talk about it and talk about how great the performance was and everything, but you know how things work out, you see me? Yeah, man, sad. So now we're gonna check out Killer, yeah man, Rodney Price himself, yeah man, the general up on the stage about a mad dance. Check it out, the people. Alright, family, so that a Killer himself, Rodney Price, the 5-star general. Yeah, man, I can see say he have a real good time on stage, you know. I will a mad vibe. It's a good look that, because one time gone, Killer never depend on the dancing thing. Yeah, man, the man they just wall off him can and beat him anything and easy and boss a Killer swing, if anything, you know. But nowadays him kind of relax and more free up. You see it, so that just a wall a mad vibes on stage and I show them say, yo, can have a good time. Yeah, man, it's a good look. We love to see that for the 5-star general. Because you don't know, I'm sure upcoming in New York as well. Barclays Center, Killer, Massacre, Idonia, Movado. Yeah, man, it's a good show. We look forward to it. Mad thing, man. So now we're going to check out the Krispy Kreme. We see Uptown and Bun Down one night time. You remember that spot of people when this just bust, you know? This was one of the hottest spot Uptown, you know. But look now, the on fire, and I not really seen a line of traffic up there like one time. But really, I go and make us see. Yeah, family, so you see it for yourself. There's a fire race through the building one at a time. You can see say it's a thick fire that blaze to hope nobody never get injured or hurt during the ordeal. You get me? Yeah, man, was one of the hottest spot this Uptown. We just hope the thing that too damaged badly, them can just fix it up back and resume operations, and everybody just get back to work and make the thing flow again, you see it? Yeah, man, so now we check out Buju reasoning. Yeah, man, Buju born a flaming idea, you know, people. We're gonna check it out and hear the Gaga melody with.
Thanks and praise to the mercy of the everlasting God, the God arise and all things be scattered. Those who hate righteousness, Smoke is driven away, Father drive them away. What's melted, Father is melted. They were there in great confusion, with no confusion. Was not Lord, it will be the light and strength of my life. And though we stumble and though we fall, we shall not utterly be cast down, because it's right and we be the whole life up, because love is tenants and adhere to his statutes. We are the children of his parcel, and his gift is thanksgiving and praise, knowing that the Lord is God, and is he that hath made us and not we ourselves. Come on the sabbatical man to greet the people of the world, the heartfelt love and heartfelt gratitude and thanks for you being here and being in my life for over these many years. I also like to thank the people of the world for loving the music, reggae music, was able to feed many people, many captive, many nations, many a man and many a minds. I also want to thank the people of the world because they're alive and they have kept themselves alive to see this time, this epoch, which is monumental to the survival of the black race. Every race is secure, let us deal with our race in particular. We're on the cuffs right now of a monumental shift in terms of the diversity and the convergence of Africa, global power, being spawned by a great leader. We've never seen a leader like this in all our lives on earth. We have had leaders who come up and before you know they say one thing and as they assume the reign of power they do a different thing. We have leaders who are so bought out and so compromised that they can't even lead themselves. We are in this iration. We are alive to see a young man from the continent of Africa expounding on all the tenets that the great Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and all these great stalwarts of culture and all these great men sung about the liberation of the continent. The continent is the breadbasket of the world. It has become the foot mat of the globe. How could the breadbasket of the world become the foot mat of the world? How could the person, the nation, the continent who feed the world become global beggars? They have reversed the role and turned into peons and serf under diplomatic agreements and agendas. But here is a young man who saw right through the smoke screen, saw right through all of that, and decided that he's gonna put not only his life, but his knowledge, everything, in whole self on the line for us. Let us come together. There's no greater time to be alive than now. Remember I tell you this, because we're witnessing something that our forefathers and our ancestors dream about. We have seen Rastas now galvanize around this common factor. Because Rastas will get soft, and I don't talk them grounds out. Yes, because when Rome come and tell and I say Rasta went to Rome against side, and I know that Rasta is no longer Rasta turn pussy. But true Rastas are still around. They're not money hungry, they're not the money hungry dreadlocks, they're not pierce up them ears and go and eat a bunch of blood clot flesh off the earth. Good Rasta still about. Firm same way, lions. We eat you alive, we still around. And we love still good, we love still strong. Reaching out to the people of the world, it's a great morning to be alive. I just say to the eye, enough love, you know. Give I great joy to see a voice speaking from the continent we have never heard before. We have some old leaders, some guys who are almost 100 years old, due to relinquish powers to the younger youth, them can assume the role of leadership to expound and their vision of what leadership look like for the younger youths. Then we're not having that. We have some guys in the Caribbean right now because they don't want to relinquish power. They rather kill the whole generation of youths. They cannot kill out the youths because you have no plan for them. You have no infrastructure for them. Murder become your next best bet for the youth. It cannot work like that. A lot of our politicians need to go. They need to leave. They're old, redundant. Their thought process is latent. They need to go and allow some young men who are not compromised, who see the interests of our nation and the interests of the youth and the interests of the people and the interests of the whole ecosystem of the whole Caribbean community. As a grand prize, we should all unite to build and grow. That's what we have now. What we have now is mayhem and madness and chaos. But chaos breeds chaos because our leaders are chaotic, right? Well, let us examine the example that we see in our time. This is a true leader. In my time, This is the only leader I resonate with. I've never seen another leader. This young man, they try to typecast as all these kind of things, is leading his people to a renaissance that Africa has never experienced. Fight if you may, argue if you may. But this is what we need. We need people to lead in our nations, in our regions. We need leadership as well. We don't have leadership. We have thugs, we have gangsters, we have thieves, we have manipulators, we have people who just speak the truth, them send them government force and them government badness to come bad you up and destroy and kill. So what that does, it drives fear into the heart of the people. Like in my country, Jamaica. I have never seen this Jamaica before. My Jamaica has become so passive. I don't know if it's something in the water. I don't know if they have done my people something. We don't stand up for anything anymore. Everything is a 9-day talk and it's okay. Because they have spent their years making examples of ordinary Jamaicans, that real Jamaicans refuse to be made an example of. But like I said, if them silence 1 me 1,000 speak, if them kill 1 me 1,000,000 rise. Once we're fighting for the right thing and we're trying to open the eyes of our people, because you can't tell the level of poverty that exists in the region because the name. Because if you check most of the youths who are going in criminality, why? There's no opportunity. Check them background, they're going to good school, good education. But where do they place this energy and this effort? The music industry full, everybody can be a singer and a DJ. So how do we, you have shut down our trade school, we have a plumber, what are we doing? We want leaders. We want back leaders to lead the people. Is either a leader and a lead out. And out.
Alright, family, so you hear the gargamel reason there, so I make you know that some of the Rasta them turn pussy, you know. Yeah, man, no go around talk. I make you know straight, but you have some of them who are all other same way, some real lion out there. Yeah, man, big up to the real lion and the real warrior them, you know. Yeah, man, just go and all other same way. So if you make it through to the end of the episode, people, but just so I'm big you up and tell you thanks for watch the entire episode. Yeah, man, we're really grateful. Yeah, Jam TV, very grateful. And if you reach this far, just ask if you like and subscribe, you know. Yeah, man, respect people. Check in the next episode.